Hey there, want to show you how to create an announcement bar for your quiz on your ClickFunnels site. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Interact account, find the quiz that you are looking to create the announcement bar for, and then go ahead and click on Share and Embed. Now from this pop-up, you'll click on the Announcement Bar tab, and you're going to want to toggle this on to promote this quiz in the announcement bar. Now you can promote only one quiz at a time through this code. So if you are running multiple quizzes out of your account, just know that you can only promote one quiz via the announcement bar. Once you've toggled this on, you're able to customize the announcement bar so you can change what it says, the button text, the colors, all of that. We do recommend adding at least a 2-second delay just to give a little bit of attention to your announcement bar. And then you can also add a hiatus. We would recommend doing at least a 10-day hiatus. And what this means is if somebody has already taken your quiz, they won't see this announcement bar for another 10 days. Once you have adjusted the settings to your liking, click on Copy Code, and then we're going to head over to your ClickFunnels site. From your page here, click on Customize, because this is the page that we're going to be adding the announcement bar to. And once that loads, you're going to want to click on this code section. Over here, click on the Header Code tab. Oops, looks like I was playing around in here already. And then you're gonna paste in the announcement bar code that you just copied from Interact. Once you've done this, click Save. And you won't be able to see the announcement bar on your page here, but if you click on the preview mode, you will see that, or in the live version. So you can see here after a couple of seconds, the announcement bar, what type of photographer are you? Announcement bar appeared. Someone can click on Take Quiz, and they're able to start taking your quiz right away. And that is how you add a quiz announcement bar to your ClickFunnels site.